Hello and thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying out the WORX leaf mulcher. This is a 120 volt, 13 amp, 8500 RPM leaf mulcher. This is operated using line instead of metal blades. So a little bit safer that way. It does have a cord. We'll be using an extension cord with this. We have some leaves here that we want to reduce down and put in some plastic bags. We can also use paper bags if we want to. So I'm going to have to assemble this. It's easy to assemble. There are no tools necessary. We have 3 legs here that are already in their position here. We'll just take them out of the slots. Now these have the push button that you push and insert into the mount here, or the stand, and then once they clip in, they should be secure. Now let's take this funnel cover. There's some clips, 2 clips, one on each side. We can lift it away from the funnel. This is the funnel here. This is latched on. Right now it's not latched, but you can see the latches. There are 4 of them, and they set position that you see there. Lift that up. Okay, here's the motor housing. Let's remove that from the stand. So let's put our legs on. Legs are in position. Let's go ahead and stand it upright. We want to put this on a level surface when we do the mulching. I think we're going to go with that right there. Motor housing. Again, we're going to line up where the clamps are at. Latch funnel into place. All right, let's put the cover on. Cover goes on one position, locks into place. And that's it. Really easy to do. Here's our on-off. Ventilation here. We want to make sure we're not standing in front of this. Cord, as you can see, I got it inside, so I'm going to have to bring that out. But you can see it just lays right on the stand. You can actually turn it wherever you want. And my measurements may not be exact, but I'm getting right at 44.5 inches high. Across. Getting approximately 22 inches. Okay, I did get this used, by the way, so it's going to be my first time trying it out. Came with the instructions manual here, and according to the manual, it comes with cutting line, 24 pieces, which I do have. It comes with a bag support ring as well, so that's all it comes with, besides a 3-year warranty, limited warranty. Alright, so here's the line, pre-cut line. That is 0.09 thousandths of an inch line. We already have some right here on the machine. Looks pretty good, but we'll go ahead and remove one of those, or remove both of them, I guess, to start out fresh with some new line. To replace the line, I went ahead and took off the funnel again, just unlatched it from the housing here, And to remove this, just going to pull the line both ends through here. Again, we want to make sure that it's not plugged up, of course. All right, now through here, just pull it. Okay, I'm going to push it through the eyelet there. Same with this one here. Sorry for the camera work. That's really easy to do. So it does have a built-in cutter here, and we'll do the same one on this side here. I noticed that my line here, the new line that I put on, is a little long, so it's probably going to be pretty loud until these are cut off. I could manually do that, but I think I'm going to go ahead and let the cutter do that. Here's the bag support ring that came with the machine. So we just have some screws here. We will take those out of the ring, line up this inside our bags. I'm going to be using plastic bags. I don't know if I'll really need this with the plastic bags, but I will show how to do this with the paper bag. So we're all set up. We have the cord plugged up, got it level, got eye protection, we've got gloves on. We want to make sure that when we introduce the leaves that we don't have sticks and definitely don't have any rocks. So let's go ahead and turn the machine on here. Okay, now I have been putting some small sticks in here. I stopped it because I want to clean some of those out. And to do that, I want to unplug it here before I reach my hand in there and do that. Now I didn't have to. It was operating just fine, but I noticed that some was going in there. Okay, so let's restart it. So far, so good. It's doing really well. Okay, almost taking care of that whole pile. Bag is getting pretty full. I've got this much more before it gets to the motor housing, but I'm going to go ahead and stop it now and close up this bag. I'll finish those with a new bag, second bag. So far working very good. Look at some of these that just went to the side here. It's almost impossible to rake leaves without getting some sticks. These are really big sticks, so should have been more careful. Our line, let's take a look at that. You can see our line has reduced, almost an inch there. Of course, hitting sticks, that's going to happen. So I need to watch out for that. And as you can see, almost the top here of the bag, but as you can see, the line is, it's going to need to be replaced pretty soon here. So I think we'll do that and move on. I'm going to close this bag up. I will show you how to do the paper bags, which I will not be using today, but I'll show you how to use that collar there with a paper bag. So to remove the bag, we're going to have to take the motor housing away from the pedestal or the mount here. Take out the funnel there. And we will just lift it right over the bag here. There we go. Really lightweight, easy to do. To size the bag collar, there's 2 screws here. I took off these butterfly nuts here. Now we're matching up the position we want to go inside the paper bag. Here's the ring collar in place, holding the bag open. Just going to put this through here. Now I'm going to take the bag and I'm going to fold it inside. And here's a look at the bag in place, at least upon my understanding of the instructions. Do want to make sure that you read the instruction manual, especially the caution portion of the manual. I think it's done a really good job here. That is the WG430, the WORX 13 amp mulcher, leaf mulcher. Very powerful, able to reduce all these leaves into that one bag there. I'll be able to finish the rest of those in the remaining portion of the bag. As far as the storage, it's in the reverse of the way that I took it apart, and once it's stored down like that, it'll be easy to put wherever you decide to put it. Not a whole lot of space. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, have a great day and take care.